Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to take a look at this 2022 C2. This is bus 26. Now I was here last year when these buses were brand new, and I did a video on 17 when it was new. But this is bus 26. It's a 2022 C2, like I stated. Pretty much the exact same as the other ones, and even really pretty similar to ours, just with a few small differences. You got the blue seats, of course, 72 passenger bus. You got that wonderful Thomas smell in here. And then there's the driver's area. Got the cameras, of course. First aid kits. Your driver's area. There's your view out of the windshield, switch panel. But yeah, I mean, that's the inside. It's got the built-in car seats like ours do. Go outside for a walk around here. Obviously no route changers because they don't do that here. The step-all light's a different kind of light than what we have on ours. No underbody storage. And this bus actually replaced a Bluebird All-American, whereas our 26 replaced a Wayne. Anyways, so yeah, that's 26. I mean, it's possible that the bus that this replaced could have replaced a Wayne. I don't know. And you can see these IDs were pretty close to our 2022s. And the one thing I've said it before and I will say it again that I like about Mason C2s over ours is they don't have that little utility box. I think this looks much better, honestly, because I mean our utility boxes don't even get used. I've never seen one get used. So to me it's like a waste of space and probably money, because I'm sure that was an extra option. But yeah, I love this. But anyways, that's 26 with its pretty similar specs to ours. No fender mounted signals. I mean, they have these, they just don't have the big ones. It's got the HD style cross views for a C2. But yeah, there it is. So oh, one other thing, they put their numbers here, whereas we would put ours here, and personally I like them better here. Because I don't know, just to me, putting it here, depending on the number, sometimes it can look just, I don't like it there, but that's just me. So yeah, but with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and yeah.